Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about door style, cabinet door style. I've been getting a lot of questions on how you can make your own, door style like this one. A five-piece door. It's very simple, and I'm gonna show you that now. Now, this particular customer sent me a sample profile to work on, which is this one here. So I already saved it, and I just named it door style, right? And what I'm going to do is start a new element, and as usual, we always start from that position. Now you want to turn your contours on, that way you can see those nice lines, right? Alright, so let's begin. We're going to resize this piece, this element, to the size of, because that's what you're going to be making from scratch. So you're going to double click dimensions, and let's make it with this thickness maybe 2.2 inch, which is kind of normal. And the height, of course, is gonna be 3.25. You can leave the depth as is for now and uncheck it. So this, we can lock them and then click OK. It's very tiny. You just have to zoom if you want to look at it, but we don't need to do that now. So I'm gonna highlight and go to the shape editor. Now here's the fun part. So before we begin, we're gonna go to file, go to background image, and then we're gonna browse your computer where you save that image. I saved mine under download. It's called door style. So you click on that, you see it's too big. That's okay, because we're gonna resize it. So you can click one of these, and you can zoom in to see what you're doing. Okay, then just keep going until it's close enough. Now you want to close, select all, because we're trying to move it. Now we need it to make it a little bit bigger, right? Okay. So you close, and this is the fun part. So we just remember we already locked all those, but we didn't lock that so that we can stretch it. All right. And then that's good. So now we go to lathe, 2 steps, corner 90 degrees, because that's what we want, because we want to create that piece. Now as soon as you make it, make sure you lock all the parts. Same technique as making crown molding. So now I can stretch this door to whatever size I want. And the drawer, you just make a copy, and the drawer front, and you see it's looking very nice. All right. So now you can bring in the handles if you like before you save it. So I'm gonna go here and look for so this door now, you can now give it whatever texture you want or door.